Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can pin an issue or item inside your projects on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright, so navigate to your project and select one of your views like a list or board view. And let me go with the board view for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, click into these three dots next to the given task or issue or item. And what you want to do from here, guys, is select click into the given item, and after that you will see that pin button in the top right corner. So you may pin it to the side panel by clicking into this button. Now you will see the item as an overview here on the right panel, but you can still navigate through your lists and boards here. And basically also organize your pinned item from there. If you'd like to unpin it, select this button, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.